तूफानों से बेलगाम उड़ते हैं जब फिजाओं में लेकर खुदा का नाम, तो फिर कसम खुदा की मुजस्सम अताब हैं, एक कहर है, बला है, गजब है, अजाब है।
You are about to witness the marching of the flag party, also called the Alam Party. The Alam Party is carrying 3 flags of the highest honor: the national flag, the PAF color, and the Quaid-e-Azam banner. You are requested to rise when the Alam Party passes in front of you. All those in uniform are to salute.
तौहीद का नारा है, उम्मीद का परचम है, अपनी मेरी धरती है, अपना मेरा मौसम है। इस खाक पे मैं कुर्बान, इसका ही दीवाना हूं। मैं पाकिस्तानी हूं, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूं। इन पाक फिजाओं में गूंजेगी मेरी धड़कन, चमकेगी मेरी चौखट, महकेगा मेरा आंगन। मैं अपने बुजुर्गों के ख्वाबों की निशानी हूं। मैं पाकिस्तानी हूं, मैं पाकिस्तानी हूं।
Ladies and gentlemen, today's parade is being commanded by Aviation Cadet Academy Under Officer Hafiz Sabi Muhammad. Formed up in front of you are the 4 squadrons of the Academy. Number 1 wing constitutes number 2 and number 1 squadrons, which is being led by Aviation Cadet Wing Under Officer Muhammad Mamoon Khan. Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Yusufuddin Khan is commanding number 2 squadron, whereas number 1 squadron is under the command of Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Sayyid Qasim Sohail. Number 2 wing comprises number 3 and number 4 squadrons. The command of number 2 wing is with Aviation Cadet Wing Under Officer Ammar Ahmed Abbasi. Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Ahmed Salman is commanding number 3 squadron, whereas number 4 squadron is under the command of Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Ahmed Ashraf. The Alam Party is being commanded by Aviation Cadet Zaidullah, who is holding the national standard. Aviation Cadet Abdul Alim is carrying the PF color, while Aviation Cadet Amir Hussain is wearing the Qaid-e-Azam banner. After award of Qaid-e-Azam banner to the champion squadron, the new bearer will be Aviation Cadet Hamad Ahmed. The parade has been prepared by Flight Lieutenant Abdul Basir and assisted by Chief Warrant Officer Zahid Ali. The PF band is being led by Chief Warrant Officer Tariq Mahmood. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief of the Air Staff. Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest would be arriving any moment from now. Soon after his arrival, he will be presented general salute. All are requested to rise on the chief guest's arrival and keep standing till the general salute is over.
अभी रज़्मगाह के दरमियां है मेरा निशान खुला हुआ, अभी ताज़ा दम है मेरा फरस नए मार्कों पे तुला हुआ। जान जाती है बेशक जाए